Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 and GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a mountain gray metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 19-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MB-Tex interior. Panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our GLA 250 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate, a set of all-season and regular floor mats, cargo cover, fold-down rear seats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows. Up and in, we've got our steering wheel controls. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. This one also does come with the Multimedia Package, which is going to give you navigation, a rear view backup camera, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders. This GLA 250 has 25,962 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 250, check out feldmannimports.com.